Jose, what are we going to be doing?
Well, I'm going to make a mayonnaise, very quick mayonnaise made with the blender, the hand blender.
Okay.
So this is the fastest way I know how to do a mayonnaise or an emulsion.
Okay, you've been doing this is a favorite when we do this. Everybody's always amazed. What does it need?
So for basic mayonnaise, we just need whole egg, neutral flavor oil, could be sunflower or rapeseed or vegetable oil, and just salt and lemon or vinegar.
Okay, so all the classics.
Yeah, you need to get the vinegar.
And cut.
Yeah. Then after the mayonnaise is done, I'm going to turn the mayonnaise into two different versions. One is going to be lime mayo. I will show you how to get all the flavor from the lime. And also I'm going to make some chipotle mayo.
Chipotle, what is that?
Chipotle is a chili from Mexico. It's a jalapeno, basically, that is being marinated with some tomatoes, some vegetables, some vinegar, and some spices.
Lovely.
So it is basically a jalapeno with a little
Chipotle seems to be on lots of menus these days. It's definitely an in-fashion ingredient. Okay, super. How do we do it?
So let's go. First, we crack the egg. We need a jar or a jug that is not too wide, okay, a little bit narrow to do it. Otherwise, it will split straight away as soon as we start blending it.
So this is kind of so it holds the width of the hand blender.
This plug, just be careful.
Okay.
I'm always very scared, you know, with the blenders and everything, tell people just to be safe. Now, after we put the egg into the jar, then we're going to cover it with the neutral oil.
And it's nice to see using the whole egg, because like lots of times when I'm looking at mayonnaise being made, it's always egg yolks.
Yeah.
So using a full egg, no waste.
No waste, exactly. So now we put the hand blender on top, gathering the egg yolk inside the blender where the blades are.
Okay.
And without moving the blender, we keep it still and we just start blending. We will see how the emulsion starts coming up. Once it's reaching almost the top surface of the oil, then we can start moving the blender up and down, okay?
Okay.
So let's go.
Let the magic begin.
Now we can start moving the blender.
Nice.
And the mayonnaise is ready straight away.
Isn't that cool though? Look how...
It was just a few seconds, 3-5 seconds.
Yeah, fantastic.
Now we need to season it with a little bit of salt. I know you like flaky salt, but I just use table salt for this one.
Whatever works. So salt enhances flavor, right? Okay.
And also a little bit of vinegar, that's what we use in Spain, okay? I know some places they use lemon, but mostly in Spain we use vinegar, so that's what I'm using now. Again,
that's a really nice quality vinegar for
Yes, and also this helps a little bit cooking the egg, you know, for prevent the salmonella and all that stuff. It helps as well. It's not just, or the lemon, the acid from the citrus, it's not just for the flavor.
It's a way of pasteurizing, really, isn't it?
Exactly. And we just blend it a little bit more. If you want it thicker, just keep adding oil. If you think it's too thick, you can add a little spoon of tablespoon of cold water and blend it. But this one I want it quite thick because when I add the chipotle, it's going to liquefy all the mayo again. The chipotle has a lot of water.
There's a bit of liquid in the chipotle, yeah?
So,
and like what happens now? If we keep on adding oil to that, what will happen?
There is a point where it doesn't admit any more oil, so it would split. Okay? So just be careful.
Only so much it can hold nearly, is it?
Yes. This is kind of almost the limit. I'm going to show you now the limit of the oil that you can add. And this thickness, this is quite thick. If I add another 20-30 milliliters of oil, it would split.
That might split out. Okay.
So if you want to make it bigger, just add some water. After you blend it with the water, liquefies, then you can keep adding oil.
Right, okay.
So I'm going to separate a little bit of this mayo. I'm going to separate a little bit in this bowl, just to make lime mayo. And the chipotle mayo, we will have to blend it again here, okay?
Okay.
So first I'm gonna make the lime mayo. We got a microplane, it's a lime zester, lemon zester. It's very, very thin, the zest.
So
that's
the whole
what
idea
we
that
need.
is just to get the skin rather than the pulp, right?
Exactly. Well, we squeeze a little bit of the lime as well, but all the flavor and the citrus is in the skin, the color of the skin, not the white layer of the skin. Okay, that one is really bitter, it's very bad. So don't keep zesting once you reach the white part. Okay, so just very, very light, pushing very, very lightly.
You're going in one direction there, yeah?
Exactly. This microblender work only this direction. If we push it coming backwards, the only thing we can do is break it, and it's not going to work. So this should have a lot of lime flavor already, but I'm going to squeeze a little bit of the juice, just a bit, because otherwise it would get too thin, too liquid, too runny. Okay. And now, if you want to make a lamb mayo from the start, I recommend you, instead of using vinegar, when you season in the basic mayonnaise, use lime juice.
Okay, that's your acid from the start then.
Exactly.
Okay, super.
Now let's blend the chipotles into the mayonnaise to make that chipotle mayo, okay?
So you spent a bit of time working in Mexico, I believe, isn't that right?
Yeah, it was like a year and a half. I was half year traveling in Mexico and 1 year working in Mexico City.
How did you find the food down there?
Was unbelievable. Was
Better than Spanish food?
I don't know which one is better, to be honest. This is
It's incredible
it's
cuisine.
a hard question for me to answer.
The José does
I
all
love
that.
it, and I know, I would say, honestly, like less than 10% of the Mexican food, what I've tasted there, and every day I was eating different stuff, new dishes, but it's so many different dishes that they have in Mexico. It's like, I compare with Spain or Italy. Every little village you go, they have their own recipes, they have their own tricks, their own vegetables.
Fabulous.
So we have the chipotle, as much as you want, it depends how hot you like the food. And just blend it a little bit to make sure that you don't find chunky pieces of chipotle. And this is a nice sauce to join your Mexican dinners at home. Here you use it a lot when we do the fish tacos, because with the fish, mayonnaise matches very well, and the chipotle to give it that Mexican touch. So I'm just gonna take a little bit out of the jar so you can see how it looks, okay?
Can I taste these then?
Yes. So
the
you can
lime
see
ale.
how it is a bit more runny, yeah? It's a bit more runny because of the chipotle. That has a lot of water.
Lime juice, that is gorgeous. And this one? Even better.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Wow, that's it. Two classic. Love cooking with
Like
mayonnaise.
basically most of the emulsions, you can do it with this technique.
Okay.
Like I do sometimes here the alioli as well, garlic and oil, the same. You can make, for example, a French honey mustard dressing for a salad. You can add here, you know, your honey, your mustard, Dijon mustard. You can add a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Then the oil. Do exactly the same process, and it would emulsify. It will get thick, as I did with the mayonnaise.
Beautiful, coats things beautifully that way. Jose, thanks for showing us your tricks.
you very
Hope
much.
you enjoyed that at home, folks.